Hello guys, Flash here from here. Today we're going to discuss about the HEALINGPOT token. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the chart, DBSC scan, how this token is doing, and everything else in between. It is a token on the Binance Smart Chain, so it should be pretty interesting. With that being said, let's just get right into the video. So hopping onto their website right now, survive the dumps with healing potion gains and wallet regen 7% per transaction. Scrolling a bit down on the website, you can see the total supply being 1 quadrillion tokens, so 1 quadrillion HP pots brewed, and 30% of that was burned. There's a 12% tax fee, 7% is being distributed to holders, 5% is being put back into the liquidity pool. The liquidity was locked in for 5 years on Unicrypt. So taking a look at the BSC scan over here, so they're currently sitting at 867 holders at the moment. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, because I've been a part of this community for about 2 days, and I have had some questions about the token. I got responses in a matter of seconds, so please join the Telegram group. Taking a look at the chart right here, so this token was released on the 9th of May. It had a bump on the 10th of May, a new all-time high. Then people took profits. It went down again. People bought a lot. It was consolidating for a minute. Someone sold, and then over here people just started buying, and it went to the moon. Now it is on the consolidation price, as people have took a lot of profits from this coin. You can see here their white paper. This is actually pretty interesting. They've got animated stuff. So reading their white paper, the team behind Healing Potion project have real-world commercial and entrepreneurial experience to guide its project and community in the successful direction it deserves. The development team will not renounce the project, therefore supporting the community development and future of the Healing Potion project. Taking a look at the roadmap, so they have a lot on their mind. This token is very new, and in my opinion it will go much more than the moon. They have competition for artists, continued viral marketing campaign, billboards, advertisements, additional CX listings, pair of creative industry for capital raising ventures, providing back holders with opportunity to fund indie or homebrew creative projects. They also want to get NFTs, a commission potion lab NFT, community poll for proceed use of 100% donation from NFT sale to charity or production houses, and also a lot more. Quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only, and always do your research before buying any of these shitcoins. Now I want to show you guys on how to buy HPPOT. So firstly, you need MetaMask or Trust Wallet with BNB. After you've transferred some BNB into your wallet, make sure you go on the website, click on Buy HPPOT. It will redirect you to the Pancake swap website. Click on the amount of BNB you want to swap for HPPOT. Make sure the slippery tolerance is on 12% or more. Put in your desired amount, click swap, confirm swap. Click on swap, MetaMask will give you a notification, just click on confirm. With that being said, don't forget to check all the links in the description and check out HPPOT. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.